If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course, which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams, with 24/7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code, that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box. Hello friends, so in this video we will be talking about soil life chart and its conservations. And in this video we will be covering these three main important subtopics, that are soil life chart, then soils in our villages, and at last soil conservation. So let's move ahead with our first topic, that is soil life chart. So basically soil is one of the most important natural resource, as we get the soil by nature, like water, air, these are also our natural resources. So soil is basically the uppermost layer of earth's crust, and it is formed by rock particles. So remember this, soil is mainly formed by rock particles and organic matter that is known as humus. It also supports the existence of living organisms. So here is also an important point, that all living organisms need the support of this soil. Almost all things in our surroundings directly or indirectly depends upon soil. The soil supports all plants and animals and microorganisms. What are these microorganisms? These are the organisms that you can not easily see with your naked eyes. For example, a pot is directly made from soil. As you all know that pot is made up by the mud, and we get that mud from our soil. But a wooden chair, this wooden chair is also made up by tree, and tree is our natural resource, so it is indirectly made with the help of soil. So we have seen here there are two different methods, directly or indirectly, and both these are showing the contribution of soil. Soil is a good habitat, so it is really good for our nature or our surrounding. We depend on it for our agriculture and construction purposes, and there are many utensils that are being made by these soils, and even toys are also prepared with the help of this soil. Plants depend on soil for the growth of plants. They also depend on this soil, because by which they can nutrients like mineral, salts, water from the soil. We get different types of soil from different places. So by this we know that there are many different type of soils you will see, like we have clay soil, loamy soil, then sand. These are mainly the types of soil you will see if you visit different places around the world. So let's move ahead with our next topic. Now let's read more about this soil life chart. So if the proportion of large size particles is more, then we can call that soil as sandy soils. And when the proportion of fine particles is more, okay, so fine particles are that are not in very large in size are called fine particles, then you can say that soil as clay soil. And if large and fine particles are present in equal proportion, so there are a quantity of large size particles as well as fine particles, both are present in an equal proportion, then you can call that soil as a loamy soil. And at the last, if we talk about moisture, then moisture content is also different in these different type of soils. Mainly whenever water passing down through the soil, then this process will be called as percolation, and it is mainly different in these type of soils. As you can see here, it is highest in sandy soil and it is least in clay soil. So now let's move ahead to our next topic. So friends, with the help of this activity, you can also try this at your home by making use of different type of soils and making formation of different type of figure shapes with the help of these various type of soils. Now let's see how we get soils in our villages. So you all will see different type of soils as you will visit different parts of your state or your country. Most of the places in a district is generally have same type of soils. We have taken some examples here that are showing different types of soil according to the district or states. As you can see in our first example, as you can see this picture, is of Dondapado village of Melacheruku Mandal in Nalgonda district. They have basically black soil in their village by which they make balls using this soil, and also this soil is used for making cracked rings, and this soil is basically light in weight. Farmers use this type of soil to grow cotton and mirchi. If you dig approximately 2 or 3 feet, then you will get limestones also in this soil, and these limestones are used for different purposes like construction of compound walls and etc. And if we will see to our second picture, then this is the type of soil you will get in Padakal of Talakondapalli Mandal in Mahbubnagar district, and there is a reddish soil you will see in this village. With the help of this soil they make ball, but they can't make ring by using this soil because it contains sand too. And here farmers grow groundnut and castor, and some places they also get cotton to grow, and people call the soil as red sand soil. So in this first picture we got to see that this soil is called as black soil. In this second picture we got to see that it is our red sand soil. So let's move ahead to see more type of soils. As you can see in this picture is of Dantaguntala of Kanumolu Mandal in Krishna district, and you will find here a black soil in this village by which they can make any type of model with the help of this soil. It is basically sticky in nature and called as black soil. This soil mainly retains water for a long time. So remember this soil contains moisture content in it. Farmers grow cotton, sugarcane and paddy with the help of this soil, and you will also see this black soil in the Indukuru Pita of Nilor district. This soil is called as your black soil. Now let's see to our fourth example, which is of Canala of Sanjamala Mandal in Karnool district, and they use this soil for making rings, and this soil contains sand also. On this soil they grow jawar, Bengal gram and paddy. So as we have seen here, there are different type of soils and they have different type of characters by which they can grow different type of crops on it. So let's move ahead to our next topic. So let's first discuss what is soil conservation. So soil conservation is the preventing of soil loss from erosion or reduced fertility caused by overusage, acidification, salinization or other chemical source contamination. So friends, let's now cover soil conservation topic. As we know that farmers always take care of the soil in their fields and they dump cattle dung in their fields. So if there is a continuous cultivation of the same agriculture crop many a times on the soil, then it reduces the soil fertility. So the farmer do not continue same type of crop in their fields. They used to grow different type of crops. They always take care of the fertility of the soil, because in agriculture all depends on this soil. Generally farmers cultivate pulses after completion of paddy. So by this kind of rotation of crops helps us to retain soil fertility and productivity. So in agriculture, conservation of soil always plays an important role. So here are some steps that are taken towards our conservation of soil. As there are many efforts have been made by our communities along with our government officials also to grow more and more trees in our locality or around our towns, villages as social forest. And this social forestry could help us to overcome deforestation, by which we will get a better habitat to live, and it will also be a beneficial step for our soil also. So I hope friends all the topics of this video is clear to you all. So see you all in a next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.